In a right triangle, if A equals 6 and B equals 8, what is the length of the hypotenuse? All right, so know that this is a right triangle. Okay, so we'll just draw just a standard right triangle here, right? A right triangle means that we have one 90-degree angle. Right, we know that the hypotenuse is the longest side here, okay? And A and B just represent the two legs. Now, it doesn't really matter which one's A and which one's B. So I'll go ahead and call this one A. So we know that this has a length of 6. Okay, and this one, this leg, has a length of 8 here. Okay, so we want to find the length of the hypotenuse. Now, usually the hypotenuse is denoted by the letter C, right? So that's the unknown. We also know in the right triangle, the Pythagorean theorem gives us the relationship between A, B, and C, right? And what is that relationship? What is the Pythagorean theorem here? Okay, one of the most famous, well-known theorems in math. Okay, for in a right triangle, right, it tells us that A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. And A and B represent the legs, and C represents the hypotenuse, the longest side. So in this case, we're given A equals 6, right? So we'll just plug that in. 6 squared plus B is 8. So plus 8 squared equals C squared. So that's what we want to find, right? We want to find the value of C. 6 squared is 36, and 8 squared is 64, right? But remember, that equals C squared, not C. Okay, so we get here that C squared is equal to 100, which means then that C is the square root of 100. Okay, using your calculators, or if you just know what the square root of 100 is, right? In this case, C is equal to 10. So that's going to be the answer here, right? The length, using the Pythagorean theorem, right? The length of the hypotenuse is going to be 10.